Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn fabric painting. So I have taken this silk cloth. I have traced a design of my choice on it. I am going to paint on it with Fevicryls colors. These are the paints by Fevicryl. They are good for cloth. And I'm going to use these three brushes: 0 number, 000, and 00. Let's start. So I have put my cloth in the embroidery frame. But if your piece is small, don't worry. Okay, you can do like that. But if you have a pouch or t-shirt, something, then put newspaper or white tissue paper in between so that paint will not go on the other surface. So for this, what I have done, I have this whole thing in the frame, and the frame I have placed little higher. Okay, there's a cardboard piece and I have put 2-3 things here so that my frame is not touching the surface of the table. Then I drew the design. You can draw any design of your choice. If you want, you can draw this design. For this, I have drawn a triangle, double line the triangle, and then curve, a fish in the curve, and just freehand some design. So this is a simple design. We'll start with simple design, and then we will learn how to do shading, etc. So I have this brush, fine art brush, and I'm going to start with royal blue color. We have to be very careful when we are doing on the fabric, because one little dot will not go. If by mistake we make one little dot, it will not go. So in fabric painting, we'll start from one corner. We'll take very less paint, otherwise it will smudge. It should not be thick paint, otherwise paint will peel off. It should look like print. I drew the design on the paper, then I traced it with the help of yellow carbon. Please draw very, very light, because afterwards these marks will be visible and it won't look nice to wash the brand new cloth. Its get-up will go. Fabric paint's quality is very good nowadays. Nothing will happen to paint. I have painted so many sarees, almost 35-40 sarees. So I can take guarantee, nothing will happen. But the brand new get-up will not come if we will wash it to erase the pencil marks. Thickness of paint should be little thick, not watery at all. If you don't have frame, then try to put it on a thali or something so that your cloth is straight and it's not touching the table. Otherwise, there are chances that color may smudge to table. Once I painted lots of t-shirts for charity sale. All of you can see on my Facebook page Vandana's art. The post must have gone down because it's almost 3-4 years back. You can extend the design according to your wish. This much we have done. We'll try to do half side right now. Reduce, clean the paint brush. If we are painting a sari, then normally on sari, I prefer to paint 5 to 7 big buttas so that it will cover all the sides. Some people make it one on the pallu and one on the pleats and one at the back. But in that case, you have to select a big design so that whole sari is covered. Also, when we are painting the sari, it's better to tie it on the person for whom we are painting, or approximately mark the places for the design.